Hello friends, we hope that you all are fine. Today we are learning about farm animals. Do you know what is a farm? Farm is a piece of land which is used to grow crops and raise animals for production of different things. Animals that are used in farms for production are called farm animals. Wow, amazing, colorful surprise balls. Let's see what is inside these balls. Pick me, pick me, pick me. Aha, there is an animal inside it. Do you know what is this animal called? It is a cow. It is favored of many kids. Cow lives on farms and provides us with milk, which is used to make dairy products like cheese, butter, yogurt, and ice cream. Pick me, pick me, pick me. Ah, hey, there is a bird inside it. Do you know what is this bird called? This is chicken. One keeps chickens to lay eggs or for their meat. Hens are the female chickens that lay eggs. They often lay 1 or 2 eggs every day. A rooster is a male chicken and is the one who makes the cock-a-doodle-doo sound in the early morning. Pick me, pick me, pick me. Wow, another animal is there. This is a horse. On the farm, there are horses as well, who assist the farmer in their daily labor. Horseback riding is very popular and allows for long-distance transport. Pick me, pick me, pick me. Wow, another pinky animal. Do you know what is the name of this animal? This is a pig. Pigs are raised on farms to provide us with meat, such as sausages, bacon, and pork. Pigs are sometimes thought of as slow, sleepy animals, but in reality, they are surprisingly fast. They can run up to 18 kilometers per hour. Not bad. Pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me. Wow, this animal has wool on it. Ha, I know the name of this animal. It is a sheep. Sheeps are farm animals raised on farms for their milk, meat, or wool. Their wool might have various textures, and they can have a range of colors. Pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me. Hey, see, another animal is there. It is resembling with horses. This kind of donkey is employed on farms to transport objects and cargo from one location to another. Large ears help donkeys stay cool. Donkeys have a distinct vocalization. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If so, then subscribe, like, and share our channel for more videos. Till then, bye-bye, and take care, friends.